If you just look at it, you would say it's AI. This is not real, but yes, it is. Wow! If you ask me, this is a dream for every Mercedes-Benz fanboy. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video where today you join me with this. I mean, if you just look at it, you would say it's AI. This is not real, but yes, it is. In today's video, we will be actually driving it. I mean, I've already showed you the outside of the car. If you want to watch the full walk around video, check the info box above. This is it. The Kugel S600 is a reinterpretation of the original W100. But did you know that the base of this is an E63 S and the body is an original W100? So the donor car is already super expensive. The base is an E63 S extended wheelbase because the normal and regular E63 wouldn't even fit on this. This is crazy. This is done by a company called Kugel and they are based in LA. And since I am in LA right now, I just want to go and check out the car. And this is the car. Today we will be driving it. So we are right now in Los Angeles and that's how the car looks like. The Kugel 600. Just look at the rear. The exhaust, you can already tell it's an E63 S AMG. And that's how the car looks from the side. Wow! If you ask me, this is a dream for every Mercedes-Benz fanboy. This is absolutely insane and we will drive it in a minute. I have the key, let me show you. It's right over here. This is the E63 S key and this here is the original key of the donor car. That's how the car looks like. When you just face it, you get scared. Well, I am a bit scared because we will be driving it. I will be super careful. Thank you so much to the guys at Kugel Works. We will be jumping in and we will be starting to drive. Before we start to drive, let me show you one of the coolest features of this car. It's the door. And the door locks. It's the original W100 door and door locks. You can hear it. As soon as you check out this side here, you can see that they have actually fitted the door panel of the E63 S on the original door of the W100. This is insane. Even the side mirrors is specially made for this car here. It's not even the W100 side mirrors or the E63 side mirrors. And right inside you can instantly notice that it's an E63 S. Kugel 600. Kugel is German and means bullet. That's quite interesting. The bullet here coming with sport seats in the front and even in the back. Insane. Okay, we are right inside the Kugel S600. We just have a start-stop button here. 3 to 1. We'll be starting it in Sport Plus. Listen. Wow. Let me also show you a sound check of this car here. Listen. And now let's start today's drive inside the Kugel 600, putting the seatbelts on, even though it's an old car, doesn't matter. Putting the car in drive. Let's get it on. This is insane. Just driving up and down here. The sound, E63 S. Insane. Insane. This is surreal. Everyone is just looking at this car. No one is believing it. Not even I did when I saw it for the first time. Whenever you downshift, the sound is crazy. Insane. Slowing down here, slowly and steady. I'm telling you, I've never driven something like this. Driving in Beverly Hills with a car like this. There's definitely bucket list things here. S-Class Maybach S580 sitting here on the left. but no one cares. Everyone looks at this. It's so cool. Okay, we're heading back now. It's crazy whenever you just look at all of this here. And then whenever you look here at the front, it's just reminding you what you're driving here. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. Even in the back, there's so much space. Lovely interior. Iconic interior and iconic exterior design here. Just old school meeting new school. I love it. I love it. Wow, what a sound. Lovely sound. Huge fan of what they've done here. Driving this thing in the US is just surreal, I'm telling you. Feels like driving in GTA. Crazy. This is insane. Let's do a U-turn here. I'm not even sure about the dimensions here, so I need to be really careful. It also comes with a rear view camera. Unfortunately, no 360 camera. This is insane. What a cool car. Thank you so much to Kugel Works for letting me drive this beauty. Huge fan of this project here. They are actually working on quite a few more nice things. Can't wait to show you that in the future. Lovely. Stopping today's drive right over here. Let me just quickly show you the outside again. Maybe do a bit of a revs here. 3 to 1. This is so cool. This is so cool. And then opening the door, all you gotta do is pull this latch here. It's so nice. So that's about it for today's video. Slamming this door here, the Kugel Works S600 with the iconic Mercedes-Benz star. What do you guys think about this project here in today's video? This car is actually for sale. It costs $850,000. If you ask me, one of the coolest cars I've ever driven lately. Love it. So cool. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comment section below. Would you guys like to see more? Please share it in the comment section below. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be